Hello everyone, good afternoon. And just in the last class we have learned the basics, and in basic mathematics I have started with the trigonometry. In that trigonometry I told you what are the ratios, different type of ratios, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, that type. And we learned those things, and from that we have learned one more thing, that is how to calculate the different values of tan theta or sin theta or cos theta, from if one value is given to calculate another one. That is the one thing we have learned it. After that we learned ki what is the sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree or 60 degree. Those values we have make one table and we have learned those things. Okay, now we are going to go further in that part. Hello beta Teja. Okay, so in the last class we have learned those things. So today's class I will go a little further. If you have not watched the previous class, please watch it. It's very important and it will help you out throughout the physics. In the physics, because basic math is very important, that is going to help from chapter 1 to chapter last. Okay, thank you beta. Good morning beta. So now we are going to start those things. Please listen carefully. Okay, so very simple thing. Just give me one moment. Okay, now very simple part I am going to start it. Listen carefully. Okay, so if I am saying here y equal to suppose 3 into sin theta plus 4 into cos theta, this value is given to you and we want to calculate what is the minimum value and maximum value. This type of question are always asked in the paper, so we have to understand it how to solve it. Okay, so minimum value or maximum value we want to calculate it. Clear? Okay, Teja. Now I'm thank you beta, please focus. That I'm saying y equal to 3 sin theta plus cos, okay, 4 cos theta. This type of question we are going to learn first today's class. So what is the concept? First learn the concept. Concept is very simple thing that I'm putting here. That is, if I'm saying here y equal to a into sin theta plus b into cos theta, if it is given to you, so this value is given, then you have to write in very next line ki y equal to root over a square plus b square into sine of theta plus some value phi. Now the very first question comes to our mind ki sir, how you are writing this? How you are writing this thing? So first understand, because we are learning basics, so we have to understand each and everything in detail. Okay, please listen. So I am telling you here y equal to a sin theta b cos theta. So we can write this a sin theta plus b cos theta, the same expression. If I am multiplying here under root of a square plus b square and divide by under root of a square plus b square. Same thing I am multiplying, same thing I am dividing it. This is the coefficient, sin theta coefficient, this is cos theta coefficient. I am multiplying here, I am dividing here. If I am multiplying and dividing, to you, what you will get from here, please understand, this can be written as a divided by under root of a square plus b square into sin theta plus b by under root of a square plus b square cos theta, that I am writing it, and multiplied by under root of a square plus b square. This is why. This is why. This has to be clear to you. Hope this is clear to everyone, beta. Okay, this is very simple. Now what I am saying further, you have to understand it. That is y equal to this value. So I can make triangle. I told in the previous class also to make a triangle, right angle triangle. Very important thing. You have to make a one right angle triangle. If I am putting here one angle, this angle is, suppose I am saying phi, because theta already given, so we cannot take theta. I am taking some phi. You can take some phi or alpha, whatever. It is very simple. In this part, I am making it ki suppose this value is a, this value is b, so this would be under root of a square plus b square. Again, I am telling you, this is a and this value, this is coefficient of sin theta is a, coefficient of cos theta is b, So I am taking here a and this is b under root of a square plus b square. Very simple. Now from here, if I ask you what is a upon under root of a square plus b square, please tell me what is that value? A by under root of a square plus b square. Already we know that this is what beta? This is base because near to theta or near to angle we call it base, and this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So this is base upon hypotenuse means this is cos phi. Similarly, I can say here that value b upon under root of a square plus b square, a square plus b square. This value would be what beta? This is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is sin phi. I am telling it. So you know the cos phi, you know the sin phi. That means from this expression in very next line I can write that y equal to this is cos phi into sin theta plus cos sin phi into cos theta and multiply with under root of a square plus b square. This is simple concept that I am telling you. Clear? Now please think carefully. This is one thing, y equal to cos phi sin theta plus sin phi cos theta under root of a square plus b square. This is the actually one formula. I am just telling you first this formula, you will understand it. What is this formula? If I am saying sine of a plus b, that formula is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is simple formula. Again I am telling you sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. We will study it more in detail. Please understand this. This is cos sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this formula is nothing else, y equal to sine of theta plus phi into under root of a square plus b square. That I told you directly to remember. This is very simple result and very important result that I told you. You have to remember this result. It will going to help you different places in the physics. I'll give you example also, but right now we will remember this part. That means whenever expression given to you in this format, in very next line you can write like this. Very next line you can write like this. Okay, very simple sir, we can write it, no problem, very easy to remember also. Now if you can write this expression, now how to solve this question, now we are going to check it. Okay, please focus on the board. What is my problem? Problem is very simple. Problem 1 that I am telling you, y equal to 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. Very next line what you can say, so this is coefficient of sin theta, this is coefficient of cos theta, that means under root of 3 square plus coefficient of, this is a 3 square is coefficient, and what is coefficient here? 4. So 3 square plus 4 square, that is sin theta plus 5. I can write it, sin theta plus 5. So what you can say, y equal to, this would be under root of 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16, that is sin of theta plus 5. This become what beta? Y equal to 5, because 9 plus 16, that is 25, under root 25 is 5. We can say 5 into sine of theta plus 5. That is very simple thing I want to tell you. Okay, up to here everyone can reach. Up to here everyone can reach. This is y equal to 5 sin theta plus 5. And in the previous class also I told you very simple, कि 5 sin theta plus 5, this sin value, what I am telling you, this sin value. So sin minimum value is how much? Sin maximum value is how much? First you have to understand. Sin minimum value, sin theta plus 5, what is minimum value? Please tell me. Minimum value is how much? -1. Sin of theta plus 5, maximum value is how much beta? What is maximum value? That is a +1. So you already know this is -1, this is +1. So directly what you can say from here, कि sir y minimum value would be, that is a -5. What is y maximum value? That is equal to plus 5. So what you learn from this concept is very simple. I am summarizing that complete concept in one line. That is, if this expression given to you, whenever question y equal to a into sine of theta plus 4 of cos theta, okay, or you can say b, better term is b cos theta, a sin theta plus b cos theta. In this part, first understand carefully. What you can say, y can be written like this: under root of a square plus b square into sine of theta plus 5. Very first thing. And second thing you have to understand it after this, what is the minimum and maximum value? What is y minimum value? Y minimum would be minus of under root of a square plus b square. Directly you can tell. And similarly, what is y maximum value? That would be under root of a square plus b square positive value. That's the very simple result. Everyone has to be understood carefully. Understood carefully. Hope this is clear to everyone. Please reply beta in the chat box so that I can understand that this concept is clear to everyone. Please reply. Okay, please reply. I am asking one question. Calculate minimum value of y. Y is given to you, that is 10 divided by 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta. This is very simple question. It is given to you. Please try to everyone. It is clear beta? Alpha circuit. Okay. Hello. Everyone understanding beta? Please reply in the chat box and try to solve this question. Just now I have explained to you. Alpha, good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon beta. Please try to solve this question. And tell me first you are understanding the concept. Everyone try. I am giving 1 minute time. Try to solve it. When you try, definitely you will understand how to use the previous concept. How to use previous concept. Very important concept and very useful. In SHM, we are using this. In the waves, we are using it. We are talking about AC chapter. Okay, alternating current. In that chapter also we use this concept. Very important concept. Please remember it. So first we have to understand this question and tell me what is the minimum value of y. What is the minimum value of y? We have to calculate. What is the minimum value of y? Okay. Now I am telling you, you have to understand beta carefully. The very simple thing. First, in very next line, we know this lower part expression. This lower part expression can be written as y equal to 10 divided by root over 3 square plus 4 square into sine of some theta plus 5. Very simple. Very simple. What you can say, I need y minimum. If y minimum means this lower portion that we call denominator, this denominator has to be maximum. This has to be maximum. And I already told you what is maximum value. You already know plus of root a square plus b square. So directly you can say कि sir y minimum value is nothing else 10 divided by plus value under root of a square plus b square. That we already know what is a and b. So you can say 10 divided by under root of 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 9 plus 16 that is 25. Root 25 is 5. That means this becomes 10 divided by 5. The answer is 2. This is y minimum value. Hope this is clear to everyone. Yes sir, no sir? Please check and tell me it is the minimum value of y is nothing else 2. Clear? Clear beta? So this type of question comes to you, we have to understand, we have to focus, we have to solve those type of problem. Okay. Now I am taking you further and you have to understand few more formulas related to this trigonometry which is used in the physics. Please listen carefully. Very simple question. I am just giving you here that I already told you one question that first sine of A plus B. This formula sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Second formula. I am telling you sine of A minus B beta. Sine of A minus B. When I am saying sine of A minus B is nothing else. This is what sine A cos B minus of cos A sin B. Next formula. Okay. Next third one. This is cos of A plus B formula. A plus B would be what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. This is clear or not clear? Next, fourth formula that I am saying cos of A minus B. Here cos of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Remember one thing here, in sine formula, sine cos both terms comes, and here plus, then it is also plus, it is minus is coming. But in cos term, cos all together, sine all together. Here mixed coming. Okay, this is mixed is coming. But here plus, then it is minus, then it is plus. This is coming. You have to remember this part. Next is what beta? Fifth formula I am telling you. Okay, this is very simple. Tan of A plus B. What is that? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Next, tan of A minus B formula. Okay, that is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. But this is not much useful, especially tan. First four formulas very important. It is used in the physics. Okay, lot of places it is used. Next I am telling you, beta, after this seventh one formula, if I am saying sine of 2A, okay, double angle formula we call it, sine 2A, that is equal to 2 of sine of A into cos of A. Sometimes we use half angle formula, similar formula. If I am saying here sine A, that can also be written as 2 times of sine of A by 2. Same thing, just half angle we have to use. This is cos of A by 2. Okay. Next formula. If I am giving you here cos of 2A, that value is equal to, this is cos square A minus of sin square A. Or I can say this is 2 cos square A minus 1, or it is 1 minus 2 sin square A. This all expressions are same. All expressions are same. Very simple formula, you have to understand it. Next, I can write here beta, you have to understand. Sometime we write 1 plus cos 2A. 1 plus cos 2A, that is equal to, if you take 1 this side, so this becomes 2 times of cos square A. Or I can say 1 minus cos 2A. From this expression I am taking 2 sin square A this side, so this cos 2A right hand side, so you will get 2 sin square A. Sometimes these same formulas we are writing in terms of half angle formula. That means 1 plus cos A is nothing else 2 times of, okay, 2 times of cos square A by 2, or 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 times of sin square A by 2. These are simple formulas, you have to remember it. Everyone is clear up to here beta? Please reply. Is it clear to everyone? Please take a screenshot or write in a notebook. If you're writing, it is good for you. Okay? Please write it down. Next formula beta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Next formula, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Next one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. These are further 3 formulas, you have to remember it. Any problem up to here? You can tell it. Next, I am telling you negative angle formulas. If I am writing here sine of minus theta, that is equal to minus sin theta. Second is cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta only. You have to remember this. Third one is the tan of minus theta, that is equal to minus of tan theta, because when you divide it you will get minus tan theta. It is very simple result, you have to understand. Okay, everyone is clear up to here beta? Please reply in the chat box so that it will be clear to everyone this simple formulas. Okay, so we can use it in the to solve different type of problem in our physics. Clear? Okay, this is simple formulas. Now I am taking you to the next topic. Next topic you have to understand it. After this trigonometry, after that trigonometry, that I am telling you now coordinate geometry. Before starting coordinate geometry, the very simple point where I will discuss, that we call it slope. So I am starting, listen carefully. Okay, this is coordinate geometry. Which is used in our syllabus, because we have to draw so many graphs, we have to read so many graphs, so we have to understand what is straight line, what is parabola, what is circle, what is ellipse, what is a hyperbola. This has to be understand properly in our syllabus. Okay, that the coordinate geometry. So for that, very important term is slope. Very important term is slope. What is slope? It is very simple thing. It is the ratio of rise to run. Rise to run. Now you say, sir, not understood. Don't worry about it. I will explain to you. Meaning is very simple. Ki suppose there is one person and he moves on this inclined plane. He is moving on this inclined plane. Suppose this is the one, we can say mountain. On this mountain he is moving. So how much he is moving on this horizontal part, horizontal surface, that we call it run. And how much vertically he is rising from its initial point, that we call rise. That we call rise. I am telling you. So how much horizontally he is moving, that we call it run, and how much he is vertically rising, that we call it rise. And this angle that I am defining, theta. So from this we define first term, that we call it tan theta. Tan theta we already know, that is perpendicular upon base. I explained in the previous class. Who have not watched the previous class, please watch it, you will understand more in detail. Okay, tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular here? That is rise. And divide by run. And just now I told you what is slope. It's the ratio of rise to run. That means this is nothing else slope. So slope is equal to tan theta, or I can say rise by run. This has to be clear to you. So slope word, whenever we are calculating, that is nothing else rise by run or equal to tan theta. So tan theta, if you know, you can calculate this part. Very simple. So if I am going on a mountain, I am writing it. So this is going on the mountain. Then we can say the slope is there. That is, we call it tan theta. Clear? So very simple. We can calculate. Now use your brain. Suppose one student is saying, sir, I am moving only on horizontal line, not moving any place. I am not moving, rising anywhere. Then what will happen? Nothing is there. You are moving from this point to this point, going it. So how much rise? 0. How much rise is there? 0. Run is only there. Rise equal to 0 here. Rise equal to 0. So what again you will say, so slope is equal to what beta? Rise by run. So rise by run, if you are doing it, rise is 0, divide by run, so answer would be again 0. So slope equal to 0. So whenever line is horizontal, that means this line is there parallel. So this is the answer is what? What is slope? 0. Clear or not clear? Okay. Now come to the next point. That I am telling you beta, if this is not line, suppose some ball is falling vertically downward. Some ball is falling vertically downward like this. You are taking a ball and this ball is coming downward. Now question is that, sir, what is the slope for this line? What is slope? So there is no horizontal run. Only rise or fall is there. Rise or fall is there. So what you will say here, slope, sir, slope is very simple. Slope is what beta? Rise by run. But here no run because no horizontal motion. So that means run is equal to 0. So you will say, sir, rise divided by 0. So this tends to be infinity. So for vertical lines, this is what? Infinity slope. Slope is infinity. This is clear to everyone? Alpha circuit, correct? Your answer is correct, beta. 0 for horizontal line and for vertical line it is infinity. This is clear. So what I am asking, very simple thing, if here I am drawing beta, this is the coordinate axis. If you are seeing this is the coordinate axis, okay, in this coordinate axis we call this is x-axis, this I am saying y-axis, and if I am drawing one line, that line is equal to parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis, or I will draw one line that is a perpendicular to x-axis. This is the second line. So first line is here. It is first line. It is second line. My question is that what is the slope for first line? What is the slope for second line? What is the slope for first line? What is the slope for second line? Please everyone reply. Please everyone reply this. Perfect. For one, if you are seeing it, for first line, it is parallel. Just now I told you horizontal, that slope was 0. So here also directly you will say its slope is equal to, sir, 0. This has to be clear to you. Slope equal to 0. For second one, it is perpendicular. Like this we are seeing that slope is what beta? Infinity. So its slope is equal to infinity. Infinity. That I am talking about, infinity. Very simple. Everyone is clear about this? Perfect. Alpha circuit, your answer is correct. This is clear to everyone? Yes. Now we are solving for any other line, not only these two lines. For general line, we are going to solve it. So for that, we are going to start next topic that we call it straight line. I'm just starting straight line. Very simple topic that you have to understand it. Straight line. When I am saying a straight line, beta, please understand carefully that there I am drawing, suppose this is y-axis, x-axis, x-axis, this is y-axis, there is the one line I am drawing it. It is a straight, there is one straight line, okay? A straight line is here. So this straight line equation generally we write in this format, y equal to mx plus c. Mx plus c. The question is that what is m, what is x, what is c? So first I am explaining to you, m is nothing else that is slope. Slope of straight line. Slope of straight line. What is c? C is the intercept on y-axis. Intercept on y-axis. Intercept on y-axis. Now remember this thing, here One is slope, one is intercept. I am talking about this m. This m can be different value. It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be 0 also. Remember this thing. And definitely it can be infinity also, no doubt about it can be infinity also. So you have to be understand first. When I am saying this m can be different value, I will explain one by one in detail. Okay. Similarly, I can tell you here this C can be also different type. It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be 0, it can be 0. So I am explaining one by one. Whenever slope I am saying positive. Slope positive means what? Slope negative means what? Slope 0 and infinity just now I explained you. 0 means parallel to x-axis and infinity means perpendicular to the x-axis, or you can say parallel to y-axis. Parallel to x-axis slope 0, parallel to y-axis slope infinity. Again I am repeating, parallel to x-axis slope 0, parallel to y-axis slope infinity. That's simple. Simple. Now the question is that for positive slopes are what? Negative slope is what? So I am explaining you. So take any line, draw any line, and on that line move from left to right. Move from left to right. If line is rising up, that we call positive slope. Again I am saying it. If you are moving on the line left to right, any 2 point you can choose on the line, any 2 point. And if you are rising up, that means positive slope. If you are falling down, that means negative slope. Now read this. This line is there. In this line, you can choose any 2 points. Suppose I am choosing these 2 points. And I am moving left to right. So this is left, this is right. I am moving left to right. Okay. So this is first point, this is second point. Now see, second point is higher side or lower side? Higher side. Rising up. Rising up means positive slope. Its slope is positive. Slope is positive. How much slope? We will learn it, how to calculate. First, this thing should be clear to everyone. Its slope is equal to positive. Slope is equal to positive. This is not negative. Clear or not clear, beta? Everyone, alpha circuit and other person also you can reply. So here slope is positive when we are moving this left to right. Similarly, I am drawing it some more lines. Just try to see. Suppose here this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and I am drawing like one line here. This is one line. This is one line. On this one line, I am taking any 2 points. You can choose any 2 points. Suppose I am choosing this is 1 point, this is another point, this is 1, this is 2. This is 1, this is 2. Now see, you are moving from left to right. When you are moving left to right, when left to right what moving, then tell me we are rising up or falling down? 2 is above 1 or below it? If below it, that means its slope is negative. Its slope is negative. No doubt about it. Slope is negative. Slope is negative. Clear to everyone? Alpha? Another person please reply. It is clear to everyone, yes or no? Please reply, beta. Yes sir, no sir? Clear. Very simple. So slope is negative. So slope is negative. When slope is positive, this has to be clear to you. When this height is increasing from left to right, that means positive slope. If height is decreasing, negative slope. Clear? So we understand this 4 point. What is the meaning of this? This 4 point is clear. 0 parallel to x-axis, infinity parallel to y-axis, and negative slope means when we are moving left to right, it is decreasing, and when we are moving left to right, if it is increasing, that means we call slope positive. So negative slope, positive slope, 0 slope, or infinity slope, all terms are clear to everyone. Clear or not clear? Now move to the next point that I am telling you. This C value. C value means intercept on y-axis. Intercept on y-axis means where this line is cutting the y-axis. Where this line is cutting the y-axis. If it is cutting above origin, that we call positive. If it is cutting below origin, that we call negative. If it is cutting on the origin, it is 0. What I am saying? I am saying very simple. Cutting y-axis above origin, Similarly here, cutting y-axis below origin. Here cutting y-axis on the origin. Just simple thing, you have to understand it. Just simple thing, this has to be clear to everyone. Okay, cutting where the cutting this y-axis, you have to understand it. Okay, I am just solving now questions. We have to answer. You have to reply in the chat box. I am drawing some examples for you so that you will be clear about it. Okay, just focus on the board. I am drawing it. Okay, please check. X-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, I'm drawing different lines. Please focus. If I'm drawing here the first line, I'm drawing here second line, I'm drawing here third line, I'm drawing here fourth line. These are 4 lines. First we have to solve this 4 questions. Okay, and further if I want to solve some more line, I'm drawing it. Okay, just understand. Two more line I'm drawing it. Please listen carefully. These are 6 lines. It is used in our syllabus. These are 6 lines. If you understand this 6 line, that means you can solve all the questions. Okay, please try to understand it. First problem is that. First problem, please check. This, what is slope, positive or negative? What is intercept? You have to understand. First, see here. So any 2 point I am choosing it. Suppose this is first point, this is second point, I am choosing it. Left to right I am moving. Left to right. Left to right, what is happening? Height is increasing, increasing. That means positive slope. Positive slope. Second, intercept, it is cutting y-axis above origin or below origin? Above origin, positive side. That means positive C. Okay, positive C. Come to second line. Second, this is first. Second, what is the answer for second? Now see here. Any 2 point you can choose it. This is left, this is right. From left to right I am moving it. Left to right it is decreasing, height is decreasing. That means slope is negative. Slope is negative. Negative slope. And intercept, it is cutting above origin. This is origin. From above origin it is cutting. That means this is what? Negative C. Or positive C? Positive. Because it is above origin, not below the origin. Clear or not clear? Very simple. Correct answer, beta alpha. Now come to the question 3. Please see. Now in the question 3 we have to solve it. Here again, to take any 2 points, suppose I am taking this is 1, this is 2. Left to right I am moving. Left to right. Left to right I am moving. Height is increasing, means positive slope. Slope is positive. Slope is positive. Second is C value. Just C. It is cutting y-axis here. So it is below the origin. Below the origin means C value is negative. C value is negative. C value is negative. Come to the next point. If you are seeing here, in this point, any 2 point you can choose. Suppose these are 2 points, first and second. You are moving 1 to 2, left to right. Left to right, height decreasing. Decreasing means negative slope. Negative slope. And intercept, if I am talking about intercept, it is cutting. This is origin and y-axis is cutting below the origin. Below the origin means negative. It is negative slope. It is a question 4. Everyone has to be clear. Clear or not clear, beta? Now come to the 5th problem. This is 5th one. Now see here. Here any 2 point you can choose. Suppose this is 1, this is 2. Left to right I am moving it. Left to right I am moving it. In this question what is happening? Please check. 1 to 2. Height is increasing means slope is positive. Slope is positive. Slope is positive. And it is cutting y-axis at origin. On the origin it is cutting. On the origin it is cutting. That means intercept is 0. Intercept is 0. Clear? Next thing. Come to here. You check it. Here. Any 2 points you can choose it. Suppose this is 1 and this is 2. I am choosing. It is 1, it is 2. When you are moving left to right, height decreasing. Height decreasing means slope is negative. Slope is negative. Again see here, it is cutting y-axis on origin. On the origin means C value is equal to 0. First this 6 question, all 6 questions, read it and tell me this is clear to everyone. Yes sir, no sir. Please reply. This all is clear to everyone. Is it clear to everyone? Alpha and other people also in the chat box, you should reply beta. Is it clear all 6? So how to see the which slope is positive, which slope is negative, because many times we have to check the things. Okay. Now I will tell you further how to write the equation of straight line, how to write the equation of a straight line, how to calculate the slope, that we are going to learn. How to calculate the slope. Till now I am just calculating the sign of slope, not the exact value of slope. So slope, how to calculate? Very simple. Suppose I am taking very simple diagram here. This is your x-axis, it is your y-axis. Suppose here one straight line is given to you. This is a straight line. It is a straight line. Okay. Already you know its slope is positive. Okay. Intercept also positive. Just now I explained you. Okay. Please try to understand it. Here. Now just check it. On this line there are 2 points given. This is 1 and this point is 2 is given to you. This is clear to you. Just once I cannot surely say how many days, but it's almost I think 1 week. I think it would be 1 week or maybe a few more days we can add it. So we have to check. Okay. So please try to understand. We are going to go for this basic math actually. So in basic math we are learning. So please focus it. Try to make a notes. It will going to help you. Okay. Wherever you are going to join or wherever you are studying or self-study you are doing, definitely this is very, very important classes. So I am not putting any physics in this part. I am just giving you the basic math so that everyone can understand, and it is going to help everyone how to solve the questions, how to apply the simple calculation, math, graphs, how to read them, how to answer them. That is our purpose to actually convey in these classes. Okay, this short course. So everyone try to learn this thing. Okay. So already just now I explained you that when you are moving left to right, A to B, so this slope is positive. First thing, this has to be clear. This is positive. Intercept also you can check here. This is cutting origin here and this is origin y-axis above the origin. That means its intercept means C value also positive. Just now I explained it. Okay, now I want to calculate this. Okay, this is calculate. Now come to this point. If you are taking any angle, this angle beta, if this angle is theta, this angle is theta. Please try to read it. This is the x-axis. With the x-axis you have to calculate this angle theta. You will say, okay sir, we can calculate this angle theta, nothing is problem in this part. So this angle is theta above the x-axis. So remember this angle you have to take it above the x-axis and in anti-clockwise direction. Now you will say, sir, anti-clockwise direction. Okay sir, this we can calculate it, no problem. And now any student will say, sir, why you are taking this only? You should take this angle. This angle you have to take it. This angle you can take it. This is suppose angle is phi. So take please this angle. Why you are taking only theta? You can take it. There is no problem. But there are certain rules. Okay, there are certain rules. Just once I cannot assure your request. I can understand you want till the NLM, but I cannot be sure about it, but I can say this basic math we will cover definitely. Okay, so please try to focus on this part first. This is theta, this is phi. Okay, so this is theta and phi. Which angle we can choose it? So some student can say, sir, choose phi. Some student can say choose theta. So there's a certain rule we have to follow. First, I am telling you, listen carefully. I told you already, slope is what? Tan theta. So slope means tan theta. Slope means tan theta. And tan theta, I already told you in the previous class. If you have not watched, please watch it. In the previous class, I told you that when angle is less than 90 degree, tan theta is positive. Tan theta is positive. And we already know slope is positive. That means I have to choose what, tan theta or tan phi? Because you are saying either use tan theta or choose tan phi. You can choose any one of them. So question is that if I am choosing tan phi, now see if this phi is more than 90 degree and tan more than 90 degree is negative, tan less than 90 degree is positive. That means here you will get positive slope, here you will get negative slope, but I already told you that slope is positive. This has to be clear to you. That means I have to choose this one, not this one. This is wrong. Remember this thing. So you cannot choose this part. So this is not phi angle. You have to choose it theta. Clear or not clear? So you have to understand it very simple. If with the x-axis you have to go for anti-clockwise direction, take this angle, you will get the answer. Now another student will say, sir, okay, we can calculate. So based on this, suppose I am giving you example. Suppose one example, suppose this theta value is equal to, first part, theta equal to 60 degree or theta equal to 45 degree. Okay, you have to calculate, or theta equal to 30 degree. Suppose I am giving you, okay, 30 degree. These three angles. So can you calculate slope? Yes, definitely you can calculate the slope. In first case, what is slope, beta? Slope is equal to, directly you will say that is equal to tan 60 degree, and tan 60 is root 3. I told you in the previous class. If you have not watched, please watch it. Second is what, beta? Slope. Here tan 45. You will put tan 45 degree. Tan 45 is nothing else, 1. You can put it. Next is what, beta? Tan slope here. If you are checking it for 30 degree, so that is tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is nothing else, how much? 1 by root 3. So these are simple way to calculate the slope. Clear? So we can apply, and if we know the theta, we know the angle, we can directly calculate. Nothing is problem in that. Okay? We know the angle, we can calculate the slope. Sometimes slope is given, you can draw the straight line. Nothing is problem. Okay. Come to the next point. Suppose 2 points are given. Using these 2 points, we have to draw the straight line. What I am saying? I am saying, bacha, ki here you are drawing one straight line. Suppose this is the straight line, and there are 2 points on the straight line given to you. This is A point and this is B point. This is given to you. A and B, 2 points are given to you, and its coordinate, A coordinate is given to you x1 comma y1. Similarly, its coordinate given to you x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2. There are 2 coordinates given to you x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. I want to write the slope of this straight line. I want to write the equation of this straight line. That's the one thing. So what is the way to write the equation of a straight line? The formula is very simple. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. By the way, this m you want to calculate. This m is nothing else x2 minus x1 divided by, this is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is very simple thing that we are going to write it down. This is slope. So when you put this slope inside this, you will get the equation, or you can write like this also. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, okay, into x minus x1. This is also way to write the same equation, that you have to understand it. This has to be clear to you. Okay, please listen. Now in this equation, how to calculate? Directly you will put perpendicular from here, okay. So what you will say is that this is parallel to x-axis, this is parallel to y-axis, you drop. When you drop it, then drop this properly till the coordinates. Okay, please try to understand it. Now you are putting like this coordinates, you will understand. Please focus on the board, beta. This distance is nothing as x1. Here to here, this distance is x2. X-axis x1, this is x1. This is x2 means up to here, this distance is x2. Similarly, this is y1, that I am saying this is y1 up to here. Similarly, this y2 means this total is y2, means this is also y2. I can say this is total y2, this total value is y2. So you know this is y1, this is y2, this is x1 and this is x2. Very simple. Now the question comes to you, sir, how much is this distance? So directly you will say, sir, x2 minus x1. It is x2 minus x1. Similarly, how much is this distance? This distance, beta. So what you will say? This is, sir, y2 minus y1. This angle we call theta. This angle we call theta. So very simple, because this theta or this theta, same angle that I told you in previous question. This is theta. So here, if you want to write the slope, slope means tan theta. And what is tan theta? Tan theta means this perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that we have written here already. The same formula. You put it in this part, you will get the answer. Clear? This is one thing. That I am saying tan theta equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, that I am writing. So what is the equation of the straight line? That is the y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Question? Very, very simple. Everyone has to be clear. Now we are going to write some question on this. Okay, just focus on the board. Suppose I am giving you, okay, write the equation of, okay, next example or question, you can say first question, okay, write equation of a straight line, equation of a straight line, if it passes through A and B. First part given to you, A is what, beta? 0, 0. B is given to you 2, 1. Or A is given to you 3, 4. B is given to you 6, 10. Or it is given to you A equal to, okay, 2, 1 and B is given to you minus 2, minus 6. These are three simple points given to you. Now we have to solve the question. Clear? How to solve it? Please understand it. Please learn it. Please, okay, and try it. Everyone try. When you're trying, definitely you are going to get the answer. Okay? Okay? Please try. Please try. I am giving you 1 minute time to everyone. Please try it. Please try, beta. 1 minute time is there. Jaswant, Alpha, other people also, please try it. Muniraja, Krish, everyone try. Please try. So first question I am solving for you. First question I am solving, beta. Please try to see. So what you will say, y minus y1, this is formula, is equal to what beta? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1, okay, into X minus X1. There is no doubt about it. Okay, suppose I am taking A values X1 Y1 and B value X2 Y2. You can take reverse also, there is no problem. You will get the same answer, don't worry about it. I am solving here. Y minus Y1 is how much? 0. Okay, what is Y2? Y2 is 1 minus what is Y1? 0. Divide by what is X2? 2 minus 0. Okay, into X minus X1 already 0. You know this part. Try to solve it. What you are going to get? This is left side is Y equal to 1 by 2 into X. This is the answer. Y equal to 1 by 2 X. Clear? This is what? Straight line. What is slope? Slope is 1 by 2. What is slope? It's slope is equal to 1 by 2. And what is intercept? Intercept is equal to 0. It's the first question. Clear to everyone? Clear? Now, second question we have to solve it. What is second question, beta? Please try to solve it. What is second question? Again, y minus y1. What is y1? Y1 is already given to you here, 3. You can take it 3 is, sorry, not 3, this is 4 1. Okay, x1 is 4. X1 is 3 and y1 is 4. Okay. Next is what beta? Y2. Y2 is 10. What is y1? 4. What is x2? 6. What is x1? 3 into x minus x1. X1 is 3. You can write like this. Okay, very simple, you can put it. What this become? Y minus y1. Okay, y minus y1 means y minus 4. This is 6 by 3. It is 6 by 3. You can write like this. And this is x minus 3. Or you can write in very next line 2 into x minus 3. Now I am going to rearrange the term. This become y minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 6. Or y equal to 2x minus 6 plus 4, that become 2x minus 2. This is final answer for this question. Okay, this is a simple thing. Okay, this is very simple. Third, you can try up to second. I am just solving it. This is y equal to 2x minus 2. What is slope, beta? What is slope for this? Please tell me. Slope is equal to plus 2. What is the intercept? Intercept is equal to minus 2. This has to be clear to everyone. Clear? Very, very simple. Very good question. Beta, you have to understand it. Correct. Chris, your answer is correct, beta. So this has to be learned. Third one, I'm leaving for you. You will try. If you're not getting, you can put in the comment. I will answer your question. Okay. Please, you can put this question's answer in the comment section. I will check it. Okay. Now come to the next point that you have to understand. This is a straight line. It is a straight line. It is a straight line. Suppose I will give you some more different type of problem in a straight line. Okay, write the equation of a straight line. A straight line. Next problem number 2. You can solve it if first part slope is equal to 2, intercept is equal to 3. Very simple. Slope directly given to you, intercept directly given to you. Second, theta equal to 30 degree with the x-axis. Okay, and intercept is equal to minus 2. This is second question. Now we have to solve this question. These are two problems we have to solve. Okay, everyone try. Again, I am giving you 2-minute time. Please try. 1 minute time is there sufficient because very easy question. Please try it and get the answer. It's a straight line. Then we will move further. Try to get the answer for second one. Try to get. What's the equation? Yes, we can use beta alpha. Definitely we will use that equation only. We will use, definitely we will get the answer. Okay, please try. What you are writing for first one? Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. When you are using this equation directly, you will say y slope is given to you 2x plus 3. That's the simple answer for first one. Very simple. Clear? Second question. Second question is what? Y equal to mx plus c. But we have to calculate first m. M is how much? Tan theta. Tan theta means tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree means I have to use it what beta? Tan 30 means 1 by root 3 that I told you in the previous class. If you are not remembering it, please watch from there, you will understand it. Okay. Now what you can say, y equal to slope is 1 by root 3 into x, intercept is -2, that's the -2, that's the answer for second one. Hope this is clear to everyone. Chris, is it clear? Correct answer, alpha. Chris, first question answer is correct. Everyone is getting this question, beta, how to solve it? Hope this is clear to everyone. Now I am going to discuss second thing that is very, very important. How to read the when slope is increasing, when slope is decreasing, any curve is given to you, any type of curve is given to you. It is very, very important because sometimes we are calculating velocity, sometimes we are calculating acceleration, when it is increasing, when it is decreasing, what is happening. We have to understand. Clear? Please listen carefully. Okay, very simple. I am just giving you one very simple concept, very, very important concept. What is concept? Please listen carefully. Suppose here it is given to you y-axis, it is x-axis. Any slope is, any curve is given to you. This is a curve. Any curve is given to you. Correct. Okay, this curve is given to you. This is a curve. On this curve, my first question is that what is happening with the slope? Slope increasing or slope is decreasing? Slope is positive or slope is negative? First question is that. Okay, we have to understand it. So whenever this type of question comes to you, you have to think properly. You have to think properly. I am drawing little more clearly this diagram. Okay, this is the slope. For this, we have to calculate. So very first thing, how to draw, how to understand the slope. It is changing, how it is changing. So very first thing, you have to draw the diagram. Draw the diagram of straight line at different points. Choose any points. Suppose I am choosing this point or this point or this point or this point. 3-4 points you can choose it and draw it. If you are drawing here one is straight line, or this is the one is straight line, or this is the one is straight line, or this is the one is straight line. Clear? This is very simple thing. Now see this line, first line. I am just asking, this is the first one, this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one. Directly you can say, sir, fourth is parallel to x-axis, so its slope is 0. Its slope is 0. 0. Slope is 0. Clear? Fourth is parallel to x-axis. I told you parallel to x-axis, slope 0. Perpendicular to x-axis, that is slope is infinity. Or you can say parallel to axis, y-axis, that slope is infinity. But this is parallel to x-axis, slope is 0. Come to this point. 1, 2, 3. These three straight line, please check it. Now, three straight line, which is more steep? Which line is more increasing more? That means its rise is more. Rise is more means this angle with the x-axis. If you draw this, beta. This angle, you have to understand it. This angle. Now see here. These angles are decreasing. Angles are decreasing means theta is decreasing. Theta decreasing means tan theta decreasing. Tan theta decreasing means slope is decreasing. But all thetas are what beta? less than 90. All theta less than 90 means these slopes are positive. Slope is positive, but decreasing, but decreasing, but decreasing. This arrow means decreasing. So slope is positive but decreasing. This is clear to everyone? This is clear to everyone कि in this type of curve, slope is positive but decreasing. At the highest point, slope is 0. Clear? Now come to the second concept. Second concept, I am drawing it. Suppose here, this curve is like this, beta. This is curve. Curve is like this. Clear? This is y-axis. It is x-axis. Everyone reply, beta. You are understanding or not? Please reply so that I can understand ki you understanding. If you're not understanding, I will explain little more. Okay? This is the x-axis and y-axis. Again, we have to understand this curve. In this curve also, you have to find ki what is happening with the slope. What is happening with the slope? So please take few points. Suppose you are taking first 1, you are taking 2, you are taking 3, you are taking any 4. You can choose any number of points. I am choosing 4 points. Sufficient? Now you have to draw first straight line over this. When you are drawing it, draw here straight lines. Draw a straight line, straight line. Here you can draw the straight lines. Clear? These are different straight lines are there. Please understand on this. Now what is happening here, beta? This is already parallel to x-axis. That means its slope is 0. Its slope is 0. Here, if you are drawing it with the x-axis, this is x-axis, with the x-axis, x-axis. Here, this angle less, this angle little more, this angle is little more. So this angle continuously increasing. This angle continuously increasing. This theta continuously increasing. Theta is increasing means tan theta increasing. Tan theta increasing means what, beta? That meaning what? Slope is increasing. And this angle, again you can see this straight line having positive slope. That means here also slope is positive and increasing and increasing. So I'm keeping up to here class because time is already done. So you can go for lunch and you can enjoy your time, and please try to revise. In the next class we will continue and we will try to complete this coordinate geometry, and then we will start the next topic at the differentiation integration calculus part, and this will be very helpful for the physics portion. Okay, thank you so much. You can reply whatever you feel, it's a good or bad, you understood or not understood. Thank you, bacha. Bye bye.